Go to Global Settings, then click Notification Groups. Click Add Notification Groups button. Fill in notification detail. Choose notification type. Click Confirm. Click Members. Then, click Add Notification Group Member. Fill in member details. Click Confirm. Go to Event Types. Select which event type you want to get notified. Then, click Edit Event Type. Enabled Notification. Then, click Confirm. Click Manage Notification Groups. Choose Site Filter and select Notification Groups. Click Confirm.